Difference between HRM and SHRM. The term HRM stands for Human Resource Management, which involves applying management principles to handle an organization's workforce. It focuses on hiring, developing, and retaining employees to make them more efficient and productive. Understanding the differences between conventional HRM and strategic human resource management, SHRM, becomes more accessible when the two are compared and contrasted. SHRM refers to the process of aligning a company's human resource practices with its overall business strategy to achieve strategic organizational goals. Unlike HRM, SHRM takes a proactive approach to workforce management. What is HRM? Human Resource Management, HRM, is the systematic management of human resources. It is a practice aimed at maximizing employee performance to enhance organizational efficiency and productivity. HRM applies management principles to oversee personnel while adhering to the organization's policies and systems. Its focus is on making the most effective use of the organization's limited skilled workforce. HRM encompasses human-centric activities such as recruitment, training, development, performance appraisal, health and safety, and industrial relations. It facilitates aligning human resource policies with the corporate or functional strategies of the organization. The responsibilities of a human resource manager include planning, staffing, developing, maintaining, monitoring, managing employee relationships, evaluating performance, and handling organizational change. What is SHRM? Strategic Human Resource Management, SHRM, is a management function that involves developing policies, programs, and practices related to human resources and aligning them with the organization's business strategy. The primary goal of SHRM is to improve business performance while fostering a culture that promotes innovation and competitiveness. SHRM ensures that HR strategies are integrated within the organization's overarching business objectives. This alignment creates a clear corporate strategy and vision for the future. A significant advantage of SHRM is its focus on identifying and analyzing external opportunities and threats to the organization, thereby positioning the company to gain a competitive edge. Differences between HRM and SHRM. Scope and purpose. HRM is concerned with managing an organization's workforce in a thorough and structured manner. However, SHRM focuses on framing HR strategies to align employees' efforts with the organization's long-term goals. Nature of approach. HRM is reactive in nature, responding to existing challenges and situations. Whereas SHRM adopts a proactive approach, anticipating and addressing potential issues to drive the organization forward. Responsibility. In HRM, staff specialists are responsible for managing manpower, whereas SHRM assigns the task to line managers who integrate HR management into their broader strategic roles. Methodology. HRM employs a fragmented approach, focusing on applying management principles to handle people. On the other hand, SHRM adopts an integrated approach, aligning business strategies with HR practices. Focus areas. HRM emphasizes employee relations, motivation, and adherence to employment laws. Conversely, SHRM builds partnerships with both internal and external stakeholders to align with organizational goals. Time frame. HRM supports short-term business goals and operational outcomes. In contrast, SHRM aligns with long-term strategic objectives and results. Leadership style. In HRM, the manager acts as a change follower, responding to change with a transactional leadership style. Whereas, in SHRM, the manager is a change leader, initiating transformation and adopting a transformational leadership style. Core elements. HRM focuses on capital and products, whereas SHRM prioritizes people and their knowledge as the organization's foundational assets. Accountability. HRM is typically viewed as a cost center, while SHRM is considered an investment center that contributes to the organization's growth. Control and flexibility. HRM often exercises strict control over employees. In contrast, SHRM offers a more lenient approach, emphasizing flexibility and empowerment in managing manpower. Conclusion. The differences between HRM and SHRM are evident in their scope, approach, and objectives. HRM emphasizes division of labor and specialization in job design, while SHRM encourages flexibility, cross-training, and teamwork. Understanding these distinctions allows organizations to decide which approach best suits their operational needs and strategic goals.